person you are trying to call is currently busy. The person you are trying to call is currently busy. Busy in a world that needs no buffering. A world where you log in without a password. Where you are guided by your heart, not an app. Where you filter your thoughts, not photographs. It's a wonderful world. Maybe you should visit it sometime. It's where you make a friend without a request. Have a conversation without a character limit. Hear a tweet instead of reading one. Play, but not on a screen. It's where your time is more valuable than your timeline. Where you live your life and not scroll through it.